Here are 10 amazing facts about snails. 1. Diverse species. There are over 100,000 known species of snails, found in a wide range of habitats including oceans, freshwater environments, and terrestrial ecosystems. 2. Slime production. Snails produce a mucus-like secretion called slime, which helps them move smoothly over surfaces and protects their bodies from abrasion and dehydration. 3. Shell variety. Snails are known for their spiral-shaped shells, which come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some snail species have shells with elaborate patterns and decorations. 4. Herbivores. Most snails are herbivores, feeding primarily on plant material such as leaves, fruits, and algae. However, some species are omnivores or carnivores, feeding on small organisms or scavenging for food. 5. Slow movement. Snails are famously slow-moving creatures, with typical speeds ranging from 0.013 to 0.0028 miles per hour. This slow pace is due to their muscular foot and methodical locomotion. 6. Hibernation. Some snail species hibernate during periods of unfavorable environmental conditions, such as extreme temperatures or drought. They retract into their shells and seal the opening with a mucus plug to conserve moisture. 7. Long lifespan. Depending on the species, snails can live for several years or even decades. The lifespan of a snail is influenced by factors such as habitat, diet, and predation risk. 8. Reproductive adaptations. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they possess both male and female reproductive organs. However, most species still require mating with another individual to fertilize their eggs. Some species engage in elaborate courtship rituals before mating. 9. Environmental indicators. Snails are sensitive to changes in their environment, particularly changes in temperature, humidity, and pollution levels. As a result, they are used as bioindicators to assess the health of ecosystems. 10. Edible delicacy. In many cultures around the world, certain species of land and freshwater snails are considered delicacies and are consumed as food. Escargot, a dish made from cooked land snails, is particularly popular in French cuisine.